Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Hari. In this video, you are going to learn about the remove command. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. As the name suggests, remove command is used for removing the files. In git remove command is used by git rm command. Git rm command can be used in three scenarios. First is to remove the files from the working directory. Second, to remove the files from staging area. And the third scenario would be to remove the files both from working and as well as staging area. Now let's look at how to remove the file from working directory only. Let us imagine that we have three files named 1.txt, 2.txt and 3.txt in the working directory. Now by making use of git rm command, we will remove the 3.txt. Hence, it should show only the 1.txt and 2.txt in the working directory. Now let us see the practical implementation. I'll navigate to D drive, git, and inside that git rr, and I'll open my terminal. Now I'll make use of git init, which would create an empty git repository. Now using echo command, I will create three files named 1.txt. Similarly, I will create 2.txt file and also 3.txt using echo command. So after creating, to view the files in the working directory, we will make use of ls command. Here you can see that there has been three files created named 1.txt, 2.txt and 3.txt. Now we will execute git status and you can see that there has been no committed and there are three untracked files, right? There are 1.txt, 2.txt and also 3.txt. Now I'll make use of git add command. To add multiple files to the staging area, we can make use of git add space dot file, which moves the files from working directory to staging area. Now if you make use of git status command, you can see that the files has been moved from working directory to staging area. Here you can see that red color indicated, which means that file has been untracked, but here this color has been changed to green, which means that file has been tracked. Now if you make use of ls command, you can see that there are three files which is present in the working directory, and to view the file in the staging area, we will make use of the command git ls -files -cached, and if we execute, you can see three files 1.txt, 2.txt and also the 3.txt.
Now I will make use of ls command, and as you can see again, 1.txt, 3.txt and 2.txt file. Now I will execute rm space 3.txt, which should remove the 3.txt file from the working directory. If I execute the ls command, you can see that 3.txt has been deleted from the working directory. Only 1.txt and 2.txt file has been displayed.
Hence, rm command removes only the files from working directory. Now, the second scenario would be to remove the files from staging area only. To remove the files from staging area for practical implementation, the command would be git rm -cached. The term cached represents the staging area and the file name. Here I would delete the 3.txt from staging area. The command has been executed successfully, and if you make use of the command git ls -files -cached, you can see that 3.txt file has been removed from staging area also, and you can see that only 1.txt and 2.txt as the files present in staging area. So this is how we would remove the files from staging area only. Okay, the third scenario is to remove the files from both the working directory as well as the staging area. For this, we will move on to the practical implementation, and the command would be git rm -f, which means forced, and the file name 1.txt. And now if we execute the ls command, you can see that 2.txt is the only file which remains, and also if we execute git ls -files -cached, you can also see that in the staging area as well as in the working directory, only 2.txt file has been displayed. So this is how we can make use of remove command at the various stages of our Git project. That's it for the video. In this video, we have learned about Git remove. Hope this video was informative. Please do like, share and subscribe my video. Have a happy day. Happy coding.